guys, I'm Mul-T-Lock from uklocksport.co.uk. Not a chance to do many videos, very busy with work. Talking of work, this is a 5-pin pin-in-pin multi-lock that we use at work. For some reason the key had turned but then got jammed up in it. Managed to sort of force the key around a bit to get the door open, get the lock out, unsure of the problem. So obviously with the sort of key in turned round, I cannot get to the sort of pins to put any lubricant in, so I thought I'd bring it home, pick it, so obviously pins are separated, then put lubricant in, and with a bit of luck it might be back to normal. Pick I'm using is from the Sauber range. It's a double-ended one. Lovely picks. So it's locked up. Again, apologise for lighting, etc. And camera position, because the camera is right between myself and the lock. I'm going to start with the smaller end first, front to back. You get little drops, little falsets. Not sure if you're going to see this properly. Let's see how we get on. So I'm trying to pick the outer pins first. So there's little drops to the left and little bits of counter rotation. So I'm just swapping from the small flag to the long flag. If I had the right tools for the lock, I'd probably strip it all down, put in all the pins. Now it's just nicely dropped over into the big drop, which means it's just the inner pins that need setting. So again, with a gentle tension, I'm just feeling over the pins till it falls over like so. So that's now picked open. So I'm going to leave it in that position and I'm going to give it a really good blast with lubricant and see how I get on with the key when I get back to work. So if you are newbies to lock sport, guys, why not come and visit us at www.uklocksport.co.uk. Thanks for watching, happy picking, and please keep it legal.